Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to download Matlab and Simulink latest version, that is release 2019a. Okay, so first of all, before learning the process, let us learn why we need Matlab. So if you want to analyze data, you want to develop algorithms and you want to create models, then Matlab is a perfect tool to start with. Matlab also provides you some sets of applications through which you can learn how algorithm basically deals with your data, and you can iterate until you have got the results you want, and then Matlab will automatically generate a program for you. This was about Matlab. Now let's learn why we need Simulink. So basically it is used for simulation and model based design. If you are designing any system, then definitely before taking it to ground you want to simulate it. Simulink is a tool through which you can simulate your hardware, and you don't need to do coding in C, C++ or HDL code. You just need to connect the blocks and it will automatically create a code for you. So now let's move to Google and learn how to download Matlab. Okay guys, now we are on Google. We need to type MathWorks in the search tab. Okay, now you need to click on this link. So basically MathWorks is that organization which has developed Matlab, Simulink and other tools which are very useful for us. Let's take a tour of this website so that we can understand what is Matlab. So at the top they have represented that Matlab can be used for artificial intelligence, basically for machine learning, deep learning and data science. As you move down, here you can find three sections. The first one is Matlab, the second one is Simulink, and the third one is R2019a, that is the latest release of 2019. So as I told you that Matlab is being used in various fields, so let us explore in which fields Matlab is being used. So we should click here. So if you want to do a project in computational biology, or you are working on some electronics project, then you can use this tool. So they are having tools for power electronics control design, for control system, for image processing, and for predictive maintenance, for data science, for Internet of Things, robotics, deep learning, machine learning, signal processing, embedded systems, mechatronics, test and measurements, enterprise and IT systems, mixed signal systems, wireless communication. So they are having many tools which can be used in different applications. They are having some other tools also, so you can just check out, and whichever application fits into your puzzle you can use that application. Okay, now let's learn how to download it. Okay, so when you will come to the bottom of this website, you will find this link, get a trial of Matlab and Simulink products, 30 days of exploration at your fingerprints. So you need to click here. Now you need to enter your email ID. Okay, now you need to fill this form. They have sent a mail on your email ID. Just open your email and click on the link which they have sent you. Okay, so I clicked on the link which they sent to my email ID and I entered the password also. Now I have got access for 30 days. I can use Matlab. Now you need to click on products, click on Matlab, click on this link, trial software. Okay. Okay, so now you get two options. Either you can use the online MATLAB tool. So if you use online MATLAB tool, then there is no need to download MATLAB to your system. You can just use it as a web application. If you want to download it, then you can download it from here based upon your usage and application. So as I want to use the trial version, online trial version, so I will click here. And here you can see the complete interface. It is very user friendly. It is quite similar to what you get after downloading the complete software. So that's it guys. Now you can use MATLAB and make some wonderful projects. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.